Miguel. There's no voltage there, bro. No volts. Checking for continuity. Oh. See what we got going on. Y'all expecting to grow dry shafts? You gotta add some fertilizer on that. Oh, boy, the water. That dry shaft was thirsty, wasn't it? Don't back up. Watch your side. You got a tree behind you. Driver's side. Back up about maybe very little. Oh, whoa, easy. Driver if you can. Pull up. Negative. You got maybe 3 inches most. That's it. Whoa, whoa. Okay, tailgate's gone. Yeah. Yep. It's into our adventure and he's already mega stuck. Dry shaft popped out. Up in short terms, what happened here? What was your dad thinking? This is going for the YouTube channel.
Alright. Well, we was trying to make it over, but it was too much of an angle, and with mileage we was going, we couldn't make it over.
Dude, Javi, I'm gonna borrow your shovel.
So this is my niece. She's about to start shoveling, I assume.
Yes.
I think that's good. I think that's necessary.
Oh, yeah, good.
And my niece is getting shoveling. I feel kind of bad because I'm probably the one that's supposed to be doing this, but
no, it's okay. I got it.
she wants to get her hands on.
Oh yeah, I got it in the bag.
Oh, now that looks like a beefy strap.
You want to loosen it from over there, Dave? Real quick.
Let's see what we was working with. Cooler strap versus toe strap. And let's see, we'll be back and see if we can get old RZ Lux and pull her out.
Uh-oh. That was our last strap.